Hi guys! So for today's video is going to be focused on one brand which is Hello Gorgeous. Ito mga products na to binili ko sa Beauty MNL way back. Feeling ko, I think bago ako manganak. By the way, pag mag-film ako ng videos dito sa bahay, as much as possible, it's going to be yung medyo soft and mellow akong magsalita. Kasi pag super energetic ako, oh my God, baka tumagos yung boses ko sa kabilang kwarto at magising yung baby ko. So the last video I filmed was, I showed you my 2020 updated everyday makeup. Ngayon naman, I'm going to show you another technique using these products from Hello Gorgeous. Another technique na ginagawa ko to achieve the dewy, glowy skin without using face oils or without using any, sticky moisturizer whatsoever. So you might want to try this technique just in case, alam mo yun, hindi kayo ma-moisturizer or ma-face oil and all that. Because I also love this technique, to be honest. One of the reasons kung bakit bumili ako ng mga Hello Gorgeous products is because nakita ko to sa SM, sa stall nila, and it's supposed to be a really healthy brand. Tapos healthy organic, or I'm not sure about the organic part, but the healthy part, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a healthy brand. Tapos nakita ko sa Beauty MNL. Sa Beauty MNL ko binili tong mga na to. Now, they're pretty affordable. So, yeah, I try to buy a lot of products for me to show you guys. Okay, so umpisahan na natin yung technique na sinasabi ko, guys, and that is layering face mists. So, I just got out the shower. So, first product I'm going to use is itong Hello Gorgeous Purifying Facial Toner. I love this spray, you guys, kasi gusto ko yung amoy ng tea tree extract. And meron tong tea tree extract. So, what I'm gonna do is papaulanan ko lang yung mukha ko ng face mist na ite. Super duper soaked. Yes. And in a normal day, habang inantay ko mag-dry ito, namimili na ako ng isusuot ko for the day. Pero since wala naman akong pasok ngayon, so, dito na lang muna ako sa hat ninyo. So, what I'm going to do is just massage my face. Highly recommend that you do this, you guys. Every morning, just to, para mag-flow yung blood sa face nyo, maga or magtoyong any part of your face, alam mo yun. As you can see, meron ng agad parang instant glow, instant dewiness. Now, next I'm going to do is use another face mist. Ito naman yung Brightening Facial Toner. Gives your face a gorgeous glow. Tapos ito, merong aloe vera extract, merong witch hazel, merong glycolic acid and all that. So it's really parang pang-pa-brighten siya ng face. Alam mo, nabibigatan ako sa towel ko. So, tatanggalin ko na lang siya. I'm also gonna pat it down. Sampal-sampal. Guys, I swear, effective yung sasampal-sampalin nyo ng slight yung face nyo. Kasi bukod sa bubuhayin nyo yung blood circulation, yung puffiness ng face nyo mababawasan for the morning. O, diba? Dewy na yung face ko, but it's not sticky. Kasi nga, face mist siya. So, I don't have moisturizer, I don't have face oil, just face mist. Pwedeng iba-ibang face mist yung gamitin nyo, or pwede rin mang isang face mist lang. Pero alam mo yun, layering yung gagawin nyo. By the way, while working on my face, maglagay na rin tayo ng lip balm para mamaya, medyo, soft na yung lips natin. Next product is yung Hello Gorgeous UV Shield Facial Cream. So, this is a parang sunblock for the face. And honestly, you guys, kapag kayo nagkakaedad na, you definitely have to use sunblock or any sunscreen, sun protection, ganyan. So, just put it anywhere na madalas tamaan ng araw. Well, wala naman akong pupuntahan ngayon dahil naka-quarantine tayo. Ang maganda dito sa sunblock na to, instant brightening talaga. I love it. Don't forget the neck, you guys. Whatever skincare you put on your face, don't forget the neck. While waiting for all my skincare to set, gagawin ko na yung eyebrows ko. So, this one is from Detail Makeover, yung Make It Pro Starter Pen. I used this in my last video, and I'm still using it right now. Next I'm going to do, pag nakaset na talaga yung sunblock and everything. Alam kong na-absorb na siya ng skin ko. I'm going to use another face mist. Ito literal nakasulat, face mist. Pero ang pinagkaiba nito, this is also a primer for your face kung maglalagay ka ng makeup. But it's also moisturizing. Ito hindi ko masyadong ibababad yung face ko with this one. Few mist of this is good enough kasi nga, this is just a primer for me. And then, a little dab-dab ulit. Alright, bad news. Meron ako na kanilang foundation. But I don't know why. Nasa kikikit ko lang yun. Ngayon, hindi ko na siya makita. Good news is, iba naman yung nakita ko. May nakita akong headband na perfect for now. Okay, I'm so disappointed right now. Kasi, in-expect ko talaga na sa kikikit ko lang yung foundation na yun. It's a super duper tiny. Pag nakita ko, ay sisingit ko sa sa video na to while I'm editing it. Pero, buti na lang, wala man ako ng foundation. I still have yung Hello Gorgeous Skin Tint. This is supposed to be a concealer and brightener and all that. So, eto na lang yung magagamit ko. Anyway, okay lang wala yung foundation kasi ito pala ay click pen. Okay lang wala yung foundation kasi hindi ko naman masyado kailangan ng full coverage on my face. Although hindi full coverage yung foundation. It's like light to buildable medium. So, eto na lang ang gagamitin ko. Pero ilalagay ko lang siya dun sa mga part ng face ko na I just need to brighten up or going even. Beauty sponge. Kung hindi ka na masyado nilalagyan ng powder, ng concealer, or foundation, yung eyelids ko, kasi yung natural darkness niya, yung natural brown, alam mo yun, pagka brown shady niya, something like that, yun na yung parang eyeshadow ko minsan on a daily basis kapag alam mo yun, ayoko mag-eyeshadow and all that. For my blush, gagamitin ko tong Hello Gorgeous Fruit Punch Water Tint in the shade Raspberry. So, ayan ang kanyang shade. Meron kasi akong 2 products for the lips. So, ito na lang yung gagamitin ko for the cheeks. By the way guys, this video is not sponsored by Hello Gorgeous. I just really want to make a video, one brand ng Hello Gorgeous. Tapos, para magmukhang mistisa pa, lagyan ng blush ang ayan, and then ito. Ganyan. Baba niyong konti dito. Kasi, naturally, kapag namumula ako, pag galing akong gym or whatsoever, pag drunk ako, umaabot dito yung rosy cheeks ko. Tapos, namumulda yung dito ko, tsaka yung dito ko. So, if you want your blush to look natural, alamin mo kung saan ka talaga naturally namumula. Para, yun yung lalagyan mo ng blushicles. So, I'm just going to set my face. Gagamitin ko tong sa Ara Cosmetics. Walang powder yung Hello Gorgeous if I'm not mistaken. At dahil ayoko mawala yung pagka-dewy glowy, isi-set ko lang siya very lightly. Kaya ang gamit ko is a fluffy brush. Para alam mo yun, parang lumilipad lang talaga yung powder. I'm also gonna contour gamit yung sa Ara ulit. Ano yung sinabi ko sa inyo last video? You do this pag magka-contour kayo ng nose para lalabas yung lalim na dapat lumabas. At yun ang lagyan yun ng contour powder. So, tinanggal ko na yung lip balm ko. And we're gonna proceed with the lips. For the lips, meron akong Hello Gorgeous lip marker. So, I have the shade Victoria, which is color red orangey-ish. And then, meron ako ng Chloe, which is pink. Swatch ko muna dito. Ito ang Chloe, the pink one. So, mukha talaga siyang pentel pen, you guys. Then, ito si... Yan o. Gamitin natin pareho para naman malubos-lubos na natin to. I'm just gonna use si Victoria sa inner corners. This is a pretty long-lasting pen, you guys. Para na siyang lip tint, pero naka-pen type. Which is kind of cool as well. Kasi yung parang corner niya, ayun o, medyo chiseled. So you can actually parang sculpt your lips with it. So, ibababa ko lang dito. Ayan. Pag ganyan, para kunwari may uka. May lalim doon. Para mas magmukhang makapal yung labi. Ganun. Chloe sa outer. I'm not sure if you can see the difference. In person, may difference siya, you guys. So, very, very konti lang ang nilalagay ko. Pero this can be very, very pigmented, you guys. Hindi nakikita sa camera, pero in person, kita yung difference. Yung inner ko is really red. Now, natuyo na yung lip tint. I don't want it to be like this dry. So you can either use a lip gloss or patungan nyo lang ng kahit anong lip balm. So I'm just gonna get my lip mask. And then lalagyan ko lang siya dito lang sa gitna. Doesn't have to be full lips. Kahit sa gitna lang. Para alam mo yun. Ganon. And then, hindi pa tayo tapos sa mist, you guys. To set up my whole face, gamitin natin itong makeup setting spray nila. Ang kinaganda kasi dito, guys, it's not like a full chemical na, alam mo yun, makeup setting spray. Kasi meron siyang rose water, witch hazel, and vitamin E. Pang long-lasting makeup siya. At the same time, it moisturizes and gives your skin a healthy benefit or something like that. So... Plus, it gives you another additional glow. Whew. So, magpapalit muna akong damit. So, I sometimes dab the setting spray dito. Kasi, dito ko talaga gustong mag-last yung makeup ko. Alright guys, so that completes today's look using Hello Gorgeous products, and at the same time, another technique you can use to achieve the healthy, dewy looking skin without using moisturizers or without using face oils. Mamaya papakita ko ulit tong look in a different lighting, in a different place, in a different angle, para makita nyo pa yung itsura niya in a different lighting. So, thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye!